Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. As we know, nowadays down jackets become one of the must-have coats for many men. However, there is such a big difference between men's down jackets on the market from tens of dollars to thousands of dollars. Today, we are here to answer the common questions and confusions when buying. First, the down content. The down content of a down jacket refers to the proportion of down in the filling, usually expressed as a percentage. For example, if a men's down jacket has a 90% down content, this means that 90% of the filling is down and the remaining 10% is feathers or other materials. Generally speaking, the higher the down content, the better the warmth and the higher the price. Comparatively speaking, down jackets with a down content of less than 80% are of poor quality and are more likely to lose down. Therefore, it is recommended that you choose a men's down jacket with a down content of 80% to 90%, which is both warm and comfortable. Next is the fill level, which is how much down is actually inside the jacket. The amount of fill determines how warm the men's down jacket is, and in general, 300 to 500 grams of fill is perfect for everyday winter wear. If you're going to be in a very cold region, you may need a higher fill level. Many people think that the heavier a men's down jacket is, the warmer it is. High-quality down jackets use lightweight down, which keeps you warm enough even if the jacket is very thin and light. Therefore, when choosing, you don't have to go for the heavy stuff, but the thin and lightweight models can also provide excellent warmth. Generally speaking, many people only know the down content, but the fluffiness is actually an important indicator of how good the down is. The higher the fluffiness, the better the warmth of the down. Usually a fluffiness between 600 and 800 is enough for daily use. To summarize, when shopping for a down jacket, focusing on down content, fill, weight and fluffiness can help you find the best men's down jacket for the money. Remember, high prices aren't always the best, but overly cheap down jackets may also compromise on quality. As a full-service apparel manufacturer, we offer a wide range of services to meet the unique needs of our customers. Whether you are a large or small business, we have the expertise and resources to realize your vision. Thanks for watching, and I hope today's share helps you. If you have any questions or needs, feel free to leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel for more useful information. See you next time.